your law firm still uses voicemail or receptionist for client calls, you could be losing clients right now. Today, you'll learn how to build an easy AI-powered system using Retell, n8n, and cal.com. This system saves time, helps you win more cases, and collects important details clearly. Let's get started. Most law firms have trouble with client intake. Here's the issue. When a potential client calls after hours, they usually get voicemail. Most people, about 80%, don't leave messages. Even worse, 75% never call back. Research shows almost half of potential clients, about 42%, expect a quick reply within 6 hours. Yet, many firms take over a day just to return one voicemail. Every missed call can cost your firm thousands of dollars. For smaller firms, these missed calls can quickly add up. Your client intake is your first impression, and right now, it's costing you business. Think about this. You spend money on ads and referrals. When a potential client finally calls, they don't reach a helpful person. They get voicemail. By the time you call back, they've already hired another lawyer. If this happens even 10 times per week, you're losing hundreds of opportunities each year. That means tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars lost. Also, receptionists, even good ones, can make mistakes. Wrong names, missed details, or forgotten follow-ups can affect important cases. Your firm shouldn't have to choose between costly receptionists or unreliable voicemails. Here's the good news. There's now an easy, affordable solution made just for law firms: Precision AI systems. By using Retell Voice AI, n8n automation, and cal.com scheduling, you can quickly fix your intake problems. Here's how it works. Step 1, Retell Voice AI, your 24/7 helper. Retell answers your calls with a natural-sounding voice. It can chat with callers, ask the right questions, and record important details. For example, in a personal injury case, Retell can ask about when the injury happened, insurance details, and if a police report was filed. You can customize these questions for any type of law you practice: personal injury, immigration, or criminal law, for example. Step 2, n8n automation with automatic routing. After Retell collects the information, n8n automatically sends it to your firm's systems, sends data straight to your CRM, like Clio, or to an Airtable dashboard, emails, or sends a Slack message to attorneys about important cases. Quickly identifies urgent cases and sends them directly to the right people. And step 3, cal.com, ease appointment scheduling. Cal.com lets your AI helper set appointments directly into your calendar. Clients easily book meetings based on your open times, so there's no back and forth scheduling. Does missed calls and messy intake sound familiar? Comment below with your biggest intake issues. I personally reply to every comment and can offer simple solutions. This AI system can stop missing important after-hour calls, collect clear and accurate client details, book client meetings immediately, and get more clients and lower costs. One law firm in Atlanta increased new clients by 28% within 1 month. Another immigration law firm stopped missing calls right away. At Precision AI Systems, we provide a complete AI intake solution made specifically for law firms or accounting firms. It works smoothly around the clock, is easy to scale, and it helps you beat the competition. Ready to fix your intake issues for good? Contact us today or click the link below to book your discovery call.